Hello everyone! For the past 3 months I've been learning how to develop games properly. I found out about an amazing game engine called Godot, which has helped me a ton on this journey. I've made this channel to document my adventures and to hopefully inspire some of you to start creating your own projects as well. I started development as every rational developer would, searching the internet for tutorials. First I found was Brachy's, so I took Brachy's tutorial, which eventually took form into my first project called Rage Night. My first project was the same as Brachy's project basically, but I wanted to add a little bit more to it. It is a platformer similar to Mario and the likes, but I wanted to add a dash feature, which later on, if I continue development, would allow the player to attack enemies. This game would be mostly focused on storytelling, with using Godot add-ons such as Dialogic to handle the input and output used for text boxes. The game would be filled with custom music, sprites, storytelling, and the likes. Next, I wanted to try to make a 3D game, in which I was inspired by Mario Kart to make a kart racing game. Don't mind Tenna from Deltarune, I just put him in there for debug purposes. If I continue to develop this game, he would be replaced by a slew of custom characters and music. However, I don't have a strong enough laptop to continue developing this game, as just for developing purposes, not running it. It takes a lot out of my computer, so that's the only project I will not be able to continue on going forward. This project was a horror type game, where you could control the camera using the mouse and the arrow keys, and it would allow you to sprint using the shift key. I added in Tenna again just for debug purposes, and the music would get quieter the further he is away from you. Again, I replaced the music here just so that no copyright. This final project is a Paper Mario style RPG, where you would fight people using a battle system similar to something like Pokemon ZA. You would lock onto enemies, select your move, fight them, and just work up the story onto the final boss. With these projects that I just showed you, they helped me a lot to learn how to actually use Godot and what features it includes. If anyone else wants to actually learn how to do game development, this is honestly the only way I can recommend doing it. Use a tutorial first to learn the basics, then make games you want to play, make things your friends want to play. Just make games that you yourself would find interesting to see in the future. Just at the start, don't make them too difficult to program. Well, that's it for my first video. If any of you think I should continue with some of these projects, please let me know, and I will publish, devlogs on this channel if you find that interesting. Have a good day and see you later.